Introducing our premium steel pergola brackets. Fit standard 4x4 lumber and can be easily combined in different ways. Weatherproof matte black coating stands up to rain, rust, and moisture. Crafted from 2.5mm thick carbon steel plates, it offers a stable structure that resists breaking and deformation. We've got every connector you need: 3-way, 4-way, 5-way, T-angle roof parts, and foundation base. The installation steps are simple. First, secure the base. Next, pop the poles into place. Secure all screws firmly in place. Fit the top crossbeam onto the poles and fasten securely with screws. Want some shade? Just attach your sunshade directly to the top. Need more pergola sections? Use T-connectors, 4-way, and 5-way brackets to easily expand and customize your outdoor structure. Comes with adjustable brackets, adapt to any roof pitch. Just tweak the angle and you're set. Perfect for DIYers. That's it. A simple, sturdy pergola system that's ready to use and built to last.